I wanted to make a supplemental video to 1A Auto's amazing video on how to take off the front FJ door panel to replace the speaker or the mirror. Upon taking it off though, I discovered 3 issues that if they did talk about them on the video, it wasn't in detail. One is taking off this panel right here. You must take it off from the front, not from the back. If you take it off from the back, you'll break the permanent clip on the panel. There's a replaceable clip on the front. I'll show you how to do this in a little bit. The second thing is confusing and switching the 2 cables between the door opener and the lock. If you are the poor soul who does this and close the door, you can't open the door again. And what you have to do is pull on this with a lot of force to pull it back, use a screwdriver and pop it out. I ended up breaking this part, but for $49, this whole unit is replaceable, and on the back side it just takes 2 screws. So make a note to get those cables back in correctly. And the third issue, they said not to tighten the bolts up for sure, but they didn't really explain why. And on the mirror, and that is because you want to push around this unit. On my passenger door is perfect, but I looked over here and the gasket is not sealed, so water I think is going to get into the door. So what you do when the screws are loose is you move the door around until this gasket is sealed on there, and then you tighten it up. I'm going to open the door now, and for that sole purpose, but while doing that, I'm going to show you how to take off that panel and give you just a tune-up on those cables. The first thing is to go over to Toyota and get a few of these, 5, 10 of them, have them on hand. I had to replace 3 between the 2 doors. So let's get this panel off. You want to get yourself a set of tools. It's so easy. Do not start back here because there's a permanent clip back here, but there's a replaceable clip back here. Place this in here, twist it, and you pull it. You can see the permanent clip in the back that'll break, and this is a replaceable one. That's it, folks. Another little secret of taking off this door is you can start right here. You can get your hand behind it and pull, and just pull it off. Here is the part you don't want to get messed up. The green goes to the bottom, which is the door opener. The white goes to the top, which is the lock. Do not mess those up, otherwise you're going to be taking out this unit. But you can see it's just 2 screws. That's it, and the unit goes in and you're all good. The door was taken off successfully, and that gasket is tight enough. I looked inside, it's good now. So is the other side. So I'm putting the door back on.